So I don't like how my tab was mounted. It likes to fucking flop around. So I'm gonna try and redo it. Hopefully it turns out good. So let's do that. Alright, so what the problem is here is this guy's all floppy and shit. So I'm thinking what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically we'll unbolt this one. I'm gonna mimic the exact same thing onto another piece, and then I'm probably just going to take the magnets out of this, and then I'll just have this thing pretty much set right back all the way back. So hopefully that'll work out good. So let's do that. All right, so this is what we got so far, and that is to replace this guy. So this guy will bolt on, and then we're gonna put a sheet right here, and then that's where we'll put the magnets to. So let's do that next. So this is how it is. It's gonna basically bolt in like so, and like that. So this is like the piece. So this goes like that. This guy gets bolted onto there, and then this goes over all of it. So what I've done is I've drilled a hole, and this screw goes in. What we're gonna do is I've scratched up this surface back here. That's all scratched. So what we're gonna do is a little bit of JB weld here. Cover this, screw it on, and then once that's done, slap some paint on there, and we'll be good to go. So let's do this. Let's get this thing on there, and yeah. But actually, one sec. We're gonna screw this on, and we'll go test it to make sure that it's gonna work. So let's do that first. All right, there it is. It's on there. So this is like what I see. So it's on there. That's on there. It has like side to side, and that's just in the tablet between the magnet and that. So that's not a big deal. If need be, I could always put a second, like do this one again, but put it sideways, and then mount another one of these down here. And then it really wouldn't go nowheres. But I'm not sure how long we'll stick to this. So, but yeah, that looks pretty good because this is what I see. So that'll do. So now what we'll do is unbolt it and unbolt it. Go epoxy that thing. Really don't need to, but we're gonna do it anyhow. So let's do that. All right, what we ended up doing was glued it, and then I actually drilled another hole and screwed that in, so it really can't spin. So any of the spinning will come from the in between the magnet and this rubber. So that's pretty sweet. So now we'll slap some paint on here and bolt it in. So let's do that. All right. I go take it for a spin and see how I like it. So let's see how she does. Well, I was doing some like hardcore swerving and shit, and it seems to be doing pretty good. So let's head back. I do like this. It looks good. Nothing's like obstructing my view. I can see clearly because the camera's directly in front of my face. So this is what I see. So that's pretty fucking cool. Works out pretty good, and it's on there. It really doesn't move at all compared to what it was. This is freaking amazing. So version 2 was a win. So let's get home. But alright, yeah, we just finished the drive. Fucking awesome. It's gonna work way better than the last version. So that's gonna be where we end, guys. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.